Hey, this is the Top Winning Products channel. Every day we look for new products to sell. This is the best product of the day. Our next product is the foldable multifunction chopping board. This works as a strainer, a food container grinder, grater, chopping board and a knife sharpener. It comes in 3 different colors. This chopping board is made of plastic materials widely used in bottles, cutting boards, jugs, and many others. It's safe, minimalist and conventional. This product is best marketed to minimalist consumers who want to maximize their kitchen space. Sell it new, chopping board now, and don't let other competitors sell it first. Your target market are moms, people enjoy cooking, and minimalists, and this product has received more than 51,700 views and 2,352 likes. Now the selling price for the foldable multifunction chopping board is just under $28, whereas the product cost is only $16.17. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $11.82, so sell it now. Thanks for watching. Now if you liked this video, and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.